I'm giving you a ticket for no seatbelt and another ticket for failure to yield. So, I just need to drop your driver's license. Is it in your purse? Okay, get your driver's license out of your purse, please. You understand what you did wrong? Thank you. Ella Gray Wilson, is that you? Okay, step back in the vehicle. Do you still live at 374 Morning Mist? Is that the correct address? Okay. All right. Make sure you buckle up. Here's your driver's license back. And put it back in your purse. Be safe. Watch where you're driving. Date for the court date on your ticket. Have a great day.